good afternoon, good evening. Yeah man, welcome back. It's Cook and Inspire again with Chef Garnet in the kitchen. And I'm telling you man, today I'm going to do something a bit different. You know, it's not the usual thing that I've done. Caribbean food. You know, I'm doing this one for the kids and for the parents as well. You know, it's summer coming up and you know, the kids, they want something a bit different, you know. So this video that I'll be doing today, it will be a two-part video. You know, I'll be doing some burger, you know, some home-style burger I'm gonna do. I'm gonna season that burger and let you see how I do it. Yeah, and I'll be making some milkshake as well, you know. That's gonna be in a separate video. So you'll see the link when I finish. But it's gonna be an awesome day. The kids, you know, they can't manage too much of the heavy stuff today, so I'm just gonna do something different. Yeah, so before I start to season my beef, you know, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah man, you know what we think already. Touch that notification bell when you hit that subscription icon. Alright, turn it gray. Alright, and comment also. You know, so here we have our minced beef. You know, I've got around 1.5 kilos of minced beef here, and what I'll be doing, most people use a salt and pepper to season it. Okay, I'm gonna put the whole thing in it, the whole herbs and spices and seasoning there. So here we are, we're gonna use some black pepper, you know, coarse black pepper. So here we are, we're going to use some chili flakes. I'm browning some chili flakes in there because it's gonna be really spicy. Not too spicy that the kids can't eat it though. Yeah. But if you're doing it for yourself and you want it to be spicy, then you can go ahead and do so. I'm going with some black pepper also, you know. And I'll be going in with some peri seasoning. I use some cayenne pepper and some paprika. I'm just gonna go in with some salt, and I'm gonna use a bit of coconut oil. It gives a nice flavor. Okay, so that's all my powdered seasoning. Over here now, we got some onion. I'm gonna use 1 large onion. I'm going to use about 4 sprigs of scallion. I've got 4 cloves of garlic, and we have some fresh parsley I've chopped. So I've got some bell peppers here. We have some soy sauce, and I've got some Worcestershire sauce. Here we are, come close and have a look. Guys, I want you to catch this really. This is what I'm going to use to combine the meat so it holds together. This is some breadcrumbs that I've grated, and I've used some butter in it to just get it together, and I'm going to throw it in there. Don't know if you can find this style nowhere else. You might do, but this is Chef Garnet's way. So let me just rub this in and come back. Okay, don't go nowhere. Don't move from where you are. Don't move from your bed. Don't even go to the bathroom. Here we go again, guys. I've covered this up and leave it for around 15-20 minutes, you know, for you to get a better flavor from this burger. Best to do it and leave it for at least, you know, 4 hours. Or maybe you can do it and leave it for overnight, you know. That will give you a better flavor, you know. But I'll leave this for a little while, come back, and I'm gonna make 2 of this burger and show you what it looks like, and then I'll do the rest then after the camera. So yeah, so just get some, put it in your hand, roll it like you're making dumplings, you know, and then just press it out like that. Look at that. want a nice little round shape burger. See, this is what you're looking for. You know, you want to make them just nice and round. You see, the meat is not falling apart. See, look at that. That's one done. Just put them down there. You can press them out. You know, give them a round shape. You see all the seasoning in there? It's a nice quarter pounder burger there. So I'll do another one, show you. So what I'll do, let's get a little bit. So here we are. As you can see, this is our burger. It's not yet done. This is how I make it. Look how lovely that looks. With all those colors going on in there. Make it a bit more exciting for the kids. Okay? So, and we're going to do some sweet potato fries to go with the burger. And we're going to have some fruit salad, you know, make it exciting. So, I normally season my my potatoes before I fry them. Yeah, so how do I season my potatoes? Well, simple. All I did is get some oil. You can use whatever oil you choose. I'm using some basil oil. What the oil does is just to hold the salt together. Hold the salt onto the chip. Sorry, correction there. Yeah. So let's shake that. Done and dusted. So I'll leave that there for a little while over here. What I'm gonna spray a bit of fry light coconut oil, yeah? I'll let that heat up for a little while and I'll come back and show you what is swapping. Let me see the flame on this. Okay, so very good. Right, it's on like a burger fry. And I'm gonna press it like that. Oh my days, it sticks. Right, so leave that there. Let the burger go and simmer. Right, so always work with your hands clean. And get my stove on medium. I don't want it too high. This is Chef Garnet's style, so don't beat me. Don't beat me bad. I can try it though. I'm sure, absolutely sure this is gonna be so good. This burger. I'll let the kids then be the judge. And you know, kids don't tell lies. So what I'm doing, I'm putting some napkins inside. Put that up there. Put some napkins inside so it absorbs the oil from the chips. I don't want it to be too. Look at that. I leave that there. So when my chips fry, I can just put it in there. Sweet potato, ready to go in the oil. So unclean. Let's throw everything down like that. You see that? I'm going to burn myself, you know. Careful when you do this, guys. Turn the flame down. They look amazing, and I'm absolutely sure they'll taste amazing also. So here we are, we got some cheese. We're just gonna put a bit of cheese on top and let that cheese melt. Normally I'll put grated Parmesan cheese inside the meat, but I ain't got no grated cheese at the moment, so I'm just melting a bit of cheese on top. Okay, here we are again, guys. I've taken the first set of burger off, and what I've done, I've put a bit of sliced cheese on top of the burger, you know, while it's warm, so that cheese will melt on top of that burger meat. Okay, to give it a nice flavor also. Take out my sweet potato. So here we are. Over here now, I'm gonna start to assemble my burgers. Okay guys, so okay. Right, so let me come back and show you what's happening, what's popping over there. Yes guys, so here we are now. Our burger, our beef burger, homemade beef burger is finished. And as you can see, it's on the plate with our sweet potato fries, and we've got some little bit of salad on the side there, some cherry tomatoes. You know, amazing guys, I'm telling you, this is absolutely delicious. You can try this at home with your kids. You know, it's ideal for the summertime. You don't want to do nothing too big. So yeah, here we have it, Chef Garnet style. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah. So until then, Chef Garnet in and out the kitchen. Look out for the next video, the milkshake. Until next time, cook and inspire.